Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a traditional dish. This dish is made of Kithul flour. Kithul tree is native to Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar and Malaysia. And also Kithul is named as jaggery palm, fishtail palm, toddy palm, wine palm, sago palm and Kithul palm in English. An edible starch extracted from pith of the Kithul tree is called Kithul flour. If you are making Kithul flour, first you have to cut down the pith of the Kithul tree into small pieces. Then you can crush down those pieces using a mortar and pestle. Then, using a winnowing fan, you can separate the bigger parts and the small parts of the crushed Kithul pith. After that, you can use a cloth and filter the flour. It is done using the water. Using this method, you can filter all the Kithul starch really well. And then the starch need to be dried under sunlight. Now the Kithul flour is ready. Let's see how to make Kithul Thalapa using those flour. Put the Kithul flour, water and salt into a big pan. You need to mix it well for some time. When it becomes hard, your Kithul Thalapa is ready. Now let's make the gravy. For that you will need some coconut milk, sugar to taste, some salt, and some pepper. Mix all the ingredients well. You can add some garlic also if you prefer. Now it's time to add some cardamom. Put the pan on the cooker and stir well until the mixture is boiled. Now you are seeing the delicious Kithul Thalapa with the gravy. So why don't you try this out? If you have tried this recipe, comment on the below. So thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.